Hey everyone, welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to find your Venmo card number right from the Venmo app. No need to pull out your physical card. First, open the Venmo app on your iPhone or Android device. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. From the menu, scroll down until you see the option that says Venmo Card. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to your Venmo card settings. If you already have a Venmo card, you'll see your card details and settings here. To view your Venmo card number, you may need to verify your identity using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID, depending on your phone's security settings. Once verified, your card number, expiration date, and CVV will appear securely on your screen. And that's it. You've found your Venmo card number directly in the app. Super simple and secure. No need to dig through your wallet. If this helped you out, give the video a like. Subscribe for more quick Venmo tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to see more fintech tips like this.